What's wrong?
You got a fucking vending machine?
Yeah?
And you got all the fucking shit in it. You got my fucking cigarettes, my pop, my chips. Motherfucker, you got my phone. Where'd you get this damn thing out?
Got it on eBay.
eBay's hole. Motherfucker, how the fuck am I get my shit out of here? How am I supposed to get it out? $1,000 for a pack of fucking cigarettes?
Well, I don't smoke. I didn't know how much to put on there.
You stupid ass. You know it ain't the $1,000 fucking dollars a pack. Son of a stupid ass. $5,000 for my fucking phone?
It's an iPhone.
I don't give a what it is. I didn't even pay $5,000 for that motherfucker. That
It already has your contacts in it, your photos, your messages. It's a good deal.
Oh, fucking what? Pay $5,000 for my own fucking phone? Boy, everything went the fuck out. It's mother putting the whole damn dollars. Fucking dollar. There goes my fucking cigarette. I guess I'll get them for a fucking dollar. Motherfucker, cheat your ass out of $999. It won't take it. Won't take it, motherfucker. And I wanted them damn chips. See if this motherfucker goes just. What was it? A 0. Son of a they're stuck. Where's my fucking change? The fuck. Motherfucking stuck and I ain't gonna get them loose.
Granny, all sales are final.
All sales are final, my ass. I'll get them motherfuckers. There they go.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. No action is needed. If this had been an actual alert, you would hear important information after the beep you just heard. This test is now concluded.
How to get my fucking phone out of there without busting that motherfucker.